Welcome to this video on understanding molecular polarity, brought to you by Chemka. Today, we'll explore why ammonia, nitrogen trihydride, is polar, while boron trifluoride, BF3, is not. Both nitrogen trihydride and BF3 contain polar bonds. However, their overall molecular polarity differs. Nitrogen trihydride is polar, whereas BF3 is nonpolar. Let's delve into the reasons behind this. Polarity arises from differences in electronegativity between bonded atoms. A molecule is polar if its bond polarities, or dipole moments, do not cancel out. If they cancel, the molecule is nonpolar. In nitrogen trihydride, nitrogen is the central atom, bonded to 3 hydrogens, and it has 1 lone pair. This gives it a trigonal pyramidal shape. The NH bond dipole moments add up due to this asymmetrical shape, making nitrogen trihydride polar. BF3 has boron as its central atom, bonded to 3 fluorines, with no lone pairs on boron. This results in a symmetrical trigonal planar shape. Although each BF bond is polar, the dipole moments cancel each other out due to this symmetry, making BF3 nonpolar. For nitrogen trihydride, dipole moments point towards nitrogen, resulting in a non-zero vector sum. In contrast, for BF3, the dipole moments point towards the fluorine atoms. Due to 120-degree symmetry, their vector sum is 0, confirming nitrogen trihydride is polar and BF3 is nonpolar. Imagine nitrogen trihydride as a pyramid with an unshared electron pair at the top. All bond dipoles tilt in the same general direction, creating a net polarity. BF3 forms a flat triangle where the equally spaced dipoles cancel each other out. This highlights how molecular shape is crucial in determining overall polarity. The key differences are clear. Nitrogen trihydride has a nitrogen central atom, trigonal pyramidal geometry, a lone pair, a non-zero dipole moment, and is polar. BF3 has a boron central atom, trigonal planar geometry, no lone pair, a 0 dipole moment, and is nonpolar. In summary, nitrogen trihydride is polar due to its asymmetrical shape and net dipole moment, while BF3 is nonpolar because of its symmetrical structure and dipole cancellation. Always remember, polarity depends on both bond polarity and molecular geometry.